Kabayan, sinong may alam lutuin ang recipe na to? So, isa ang biko sa natutunan kong lutuin sa nanay ko. Pero alam nyo ba, not too long ago, I couldn't cook, I couldn't clean, I couldn't do anything. Until I found this amazing online business that allows me to replace my income, be present with my kids' life, and cook anything na kinikrave namin ng mga Filipino food. Kaya, I'm sharing this to you if you're a parent like me who wants to take control of your time and spend quality time with your family. Ni-encourage ko po kayo na i-check nyo ang life-changing business opportunity na to. Kahit po meron kayong trabaho sa ngayon, is pwede nyo po itong gawin. And wag po kayo mag-alala if wala kayong business experience or hindi kayo magaling sa computer dahil meron po tayong training na provided and may mentor ka na tutulong sa'yo. Kaya kabayan, i-click mo lang po ang Learn More button at i-register mo ang iyong name at email para mapanood mo ang free information session at malaman mo if this business fits for you. Maraming salamat po sa iyong oras and God bless po!